Morning. Been thinking about the government shutdown, which is now over. A few weeks ago I attended a very large national healthcare conference. One of the lectures that I sat in on involved a guy speaking who was, in essence, the chief lobbyist for this group, practice specialty group, and he was talking about all of their tremendous wins from their lobbying efforts. And he was talking about, macro this and macro that, which led me in the back of the room to wonder why so much money needed to be spent on lobbying efforts, on whether things like macro, for example, are just giant wastes of time that we get as a result of representatives of far less than average intelligence who have nothing better to do but to pass moronic legislation, they themselves having never really engaged in anything of much productivity in their entire lives. Which then is made worse by the fact that these crazy laws are implemented by unelected bureaucrats who have to justify their jobs by making up other laws, regulations that have the force of law, when those who are making these things up can't even be tossed out of office because, absent a government shutdown, they are busy at work every day and very hard to fire. Do we need all these non-essential folks? Looking at the regulatory side, what would things be like if we didn't have them? Might they have to find productive jobs? Might they stop gumming up the works that cost practice groups countless thousands or maybe even tens of thousands of dollars a year in lost productivity as well as actual dollars paid out in order to comply and to prove up compliance? Maybe a permanent government shutdown for these non-essential people is really what we should all be hoping for.